Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So today is Friday Freebie Day. We are on number 87. So this is a lovely sort of Valentine-y themed Friday Freebie this week. I've got this lovely, it's almost like a coin pouch. Once you've folded it up, it's really simple, just to fold up. I have also got a lovely journal card, which says with love from me to you, and we've got three beautiful little hearts there. So it's in a really pretty sort of dusky pink, which is gorgeous. So it's quite shabby, so you can make it really shabby and pop it in your journals. You don't have to have this one. You can just use this in some of your journals. You can just use the hearts. This you can pop on the front of a journal if you wanted to. All sorts of different ways that you can use them, which is lovely. I haven't got a tutorial on how to do it this week, but I am going to show you what I've made. I've made two of them for you. But just quickly, just a quick clarify, I did have a little bit of a rant on our Facebook page this week because there are a few people that are sharing the actual files in other groups, and I really don't want that to happen. I just want them to stay on the group. I don't mind once you've made it, and once you've cut it out and made it and you're using it in your journals or in one of your projects, please do share on the other groups if you're allowed to. You can then say to people where you got it from, and then it's up to them if they would like to join the group. But please don't share the files on Facebook groups, on the Instagram, on your blogs, or anywhere. Just tell people about it, and that's where, just tell them that they can come and join the group, and they can get them for themselves. So I don't mind if you share them once they've been made. That's not a problem. So there we go, guys, just to clarify that. So now I'm going to show you what I have made. Let me just pick that up. So I have done two. As you know, I'm a little bit tight for time at the moment, so I'm just trying to sort of do a quick video. I made these during the week when I had 5 minutes, so I'm just going to show you quickly. I have made this one to start with. Now I've made one of the little hearts into a little paper clip, and I just think that's gorgeous. Really simple. I've just got a little bit of fabric. I've got one of my little words from the Love and Romance, not Love and Romance, Valentine and love words and phrases. But again, you can pop any word on there, whatever you like, and I just think that's lovely. So that's a little paper clip that just slips on there. I've added a few of my embellishments onto this one. This is a cluster that I made. I do have a tutorial on that, but I thought that looks lovely on there. And then one of my postcards from the postcard set. And then what I've done, I've used the little journaling card inside, and I've just backed it with some tea stain paper like that, sewn around the outside, and then that just goes in there. And there's lots of room, so you can put all sorts of bits and pieces in there as well. So these make beautiful Happy Mail little envelopes and gifts as well, which are gorgeous. It's nice and light, so you can pop that in a little envelope and send that to somebody, and I'm sure they would love it. This one here, I have added one of my little flowers, a little bit of stickles on there. I've got one of the little hearts there, a little mini postcard, and of course we have to have some of the rose trim on there as well. And I've got another little heart up here with one of my little butterflies on. And then I popped the little journaling card on the front, which I think looks really nice. And then on the back, what I've done, I've stuck the heart to the back. I've sewn around it, and I did actually back it with a little bit of card just to make it a little bit more sturdy on there. And that's just used as the closure. I don't have anything inside this, but you can put whatever you like in there. And then this just folds in, if I can do that. It just folds in and closes it up, which I'm loving. And then I just put love on there. So there we go. That is lovely. Really simple to make. and I think they are really cute. So this is what you will get when you print it off. Now if you're not in the Facebook group, there is a link down below, so please do go down there, click on the link, and it will take you and show you what to do to get to the Facebook group, and then you can print this off. Now if you aren't on Facebook at all, I do put them in sets of 4 onto my Etsy shop. So the next one will be, the next set of 4 will be next week, next Friday, and then they will be in the Etsy shop, and they are on the minimum price. It's just to cover my Etsy fees, so that was the only way I can do it, so you guys that aren't on Facebook can get hold of the Friday freebies. So there we go, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a fantastic weekend. I hope you can get a little bit of crafting in. So do take care, stay safe, and I will see you soon. Alright guys, bye bye.